Unplug the power cables. Open the power box. Unplug the flat cables. Remove the screws around the module. Remove the module. Place the module on the cabinet. Fix the module with screws. Plug in flat cable. Close the power box.